man, these half doors come in super handy. But you definitely need to have a handle to grab onto. But you see how he's steering with the little thing?
Yeah. So Kane, I'm going to ask you when I get up here.
Yeah.
I want my passenger tire. See where the rock is white?
Yeah.
And then that gray rock curls over the top of it, the dark colored rock. If I pick the right line, I want my right front tire to go right to hit. I'm going to walk up there and show you.
Okay.
From there, what I'm going to say is, I want my passenger front tire right on that spot. Damn it.
Right.
All
right. Start going driver a little bit.
What's that?
Driver. 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 Alright, you're on the line. You're high center on this rock.
One's high centered. You said I'm high centered on a rock. My what?
No, so your what do you call
The slider?
Slider. Okay. That was literally you were like kind of bouncing on it like that.
That's good.
Okay. Now go driver. Forward. Looking good over here. There you go. Oh, I didn't see a tree there.
Which way, Jess? Go right? You're right or my right? Driver right. We're going to go that way. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No. My truck is not capable of that. I wished it was, but it is not.
What about this? Wait.
I thought about that, but I'm gonna go this way.
Well, back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
It's convenient. It's like just right in the middle.
got this right here.
Clear over here. Start going driver. Oh shit.
Coming around the corner.
There you go. Tire clear.
One way to skin a cat.
Forget the cactus. Forget the cactus. Right?
What's in front of me, Jess?
What's a drop?
Oh yeah, nice shot. Here's that one.
All right.
Go driver!
I'm trying!
I'm a hobo spotter. Driver, a little bit. I saw that tree and I was like, get in, and then like.
Can't go too fast and low.
Yeah. Right, so at least you have handles back there too.
Yeah, I should have told you need to set in the middle, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so you don't smack your head on the wall. I think we're gonna have to turn around. We can't come out the way.
There you thought?
Hey, here's some shade.
Yeah, right?
So hung out here, man. Let's do something stupid.
Dead end or something?
I don't know where it goes. Let's just do something stupid.
Oh, I definitely see a trap. I see tire tracks going that way.
That's alright. I don't know, man.
Leads to a skeleton of a car. That's good. Don't get something.
It won't do it. Too loose.
You're literally trying to climb over that thing?
Yeah, I was just gonna go up it a little bit.
Jesus Christ, man.
I'm stuck on that lip. This lip right here.
Man, I thought Eric was a cool, quiet guy. He's into crazy stuff.
We're turning around, Jess!
Disappeared into the.
And the thing went out.
Oh, the GoPro?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Now we're gonna drop, so we'll back up.
You gonna be alright, Erick, or do you need?
Yeah, we're coming. We're just screwing around.
Oh, you coming back?
Yeah, because I don't think it goes. I don't know where it goes. So.
I will take you coming back then.
Well, I'm not coming. I'm not going down the fall. I'm gonna go up on the side of the road here.
Oh, okay.
The GoPro timed out, being that you were out of range too.
Okay, we're heading back to where Keith was at.
10-4, we're coming. Maybe. Watch this brake. I'm gonna stop right here, sorry. I don't know. That might be a deep hole.
That's deep.
Oh, you just broke your windshield wiper.
You need a guide you?
Oh man, it rained a moment.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I see that. Yeah.
You want me to guide you?
How far is it going? Deep?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that hole's deep. Jesse!
You know, the end was like about 50 feet ahead of where you were. Baby?
Go ahead and enter it.
Yeah,
Lift up.
I can see you directly behind me. I think another couple hundred feet you would have made it.
Hey, we see Jesse. Jesse, right?
Yeah, there's a big washout right here, so there's no way I can make that up, so I'm just turning around.
You gonna go through here?
No, I can't make that.
Okay.
Go ahead, I'll follow you.
I can't make that.
No.
Yeah. Sure?
Can you make it up with that? Co-worker?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, there's a spot up here.
Is there? I really like your multiple oh shit handles.